A business owner had joined my course, Art of Discipline, and he had seen this ad coming up again and again and wondered what it is. And he said, okay, let me sign up, because he was struggling with his work at office. He was procrastinating, not going to office on time, not giving tasks to his team, not just procrastinating on many things on his table. And he also procrastinated in the course. He didn't do anything for 2 months. My team followed up and asked, what are you doing? How are things? They gave him a little bit of help to get started. And he didn't believe it could work. He didn't think that there was anything going to happen. My team convinced him, start practicing the task that I keep sharing about. And he did that. And he practiced one powerful task for 5 minutes every day. It was a game changer, what I call the gatekeeper task. And in 2 months' time, he reached out to my team and he said, it's been amazing. You don't know what magic this is, but I've been consistent at my work, and I can see the changes that the way I deal with my team, the way I deal with my clients and businesses changed, and it has brought in a winning mindset for myself. So this is what consistency, this is what willpower and discipline can do for you. If you're interested to know more, there's more information in the comments, there's more information in the description and bio, and take a look at it. If you're interested, then sign up, and during one of my live sessions, I can help you get some breakthroughs for your goals and help you get to your goals.